It just started drawing outside. It just started pouring out of nowhere. I had the baskets out there, my glue gun plugged up. Zzz. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Drea from Lake Crochet. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So I'm all hyped to push these tutorials out and didn't realize the whole time I was not recording the first half of this tutorial. So welcome to the Lake Crochet belt tutorial. Yes, we'll be making this cute belt for my daughter. So let's get into the first step. We are going to start with chains to go around our waist. Now, this is not for me, this is for Lyric, but I'm going to size it small to my waist, just so that it'll have like a little hang to it. You know, it can go through more than one loop. I don't want it to be too short. So we're going to chain up to whoever's waist you're doing this for, however long. I know typically when I do her shorts or skirts or anything, I chain up like 57, 60. So, and it's for like a tight fit. So if I wanted to be like a belt a little longer, I'll probably do like 75, 80 for like a little hang. So I'm going to do what works for me. You do what works for you, just as long as it go around your waist. BRB. All right, y'all. So I'm going to just size Lyric up. She made it off the shower so I can actually fit it to her. I already did what I thought would be right. And I'm right. I did 75 chains. I said 80, but I did 75. So pretty much it'll be, you know, the buckle and everything, but it'll have a little hang to it so it can go through the next loop. So you don't want it to be like fitted like this right on her, from what I can imagine. You know, we just winging this, I'm doing it for the first time. But I want to be able to put it through more than one belt loop, so that's what I'm going to do. Right, put on thermals, it's like 90 degrees outside. All right, so I got my chains, and I'm going to go right back down this row with double crochet. Now, the way this belt buckle look, let me take it off the peg. The way this belt buckle look, it don't look like we can do too thick of a belt. Like this is on the medium size or regular belt buckle size, I would say. But it don't look like but so many rows, because the rows gotta fit here, the belt gotta fit here. So I'm thinking, how many rounds of double crochet would there be? 2? I would say this probably only 2 rows of double crochet. We might be out of here. It's faster, you know, faster than I thought. This might only be like a good 2 rows or 2 rows and like a row, a half double crochet. We're about to see. We're going to go right back down our row with a row of double crochet into each chain. All right, so we're going right back down this row with double crochet until we get to the end, and then we'll be back. All right, so this is my first row of double crochet all the way down, and then I'm going right back down with one more, and then we're just going to see. I'm going to do like a few right quick just to size it up while I'm on camera with y'all. A few back down the row, because I feel like, oh, I'm about to be knocking belts right on out. You should too. So let me see. I got a nice little width going right here. Hello, that's all we need. 2 rows of double crochet. We knock them out the box. We knocked this tutorial right on out the park. So I'll be back at the end of this tutorial. It's like, no, we gotta sew it on some type of way. We'll figure it out. But go back down with your row of double crochet, your second row of double crochet, and then that'll be the end of that. All right, y'all, so this is round 2 of our belt. And something, so this is the end of it. It's gonna be like a, you know, a square or like a straight line, something like a square. You know how belts had that, like some belts, some cute belts have like their little triangular look to the end, and then they had like their little tip. I'm gonna try to find one of them little tips for this in silver, but I'm just going to take my hook and go to the opposite side of my belt and then do like a slip stitch, so it'll close it off, not in like a straight line, but more in like a, you know, curved line.
Do I put the pizza in now?
See? You see it? You see that? So that's what I was talking about. That'll be the end of the belt. All right, y'all. So next, and from what I already can see, we're going to take our belt and put it on this part, the opposite side of our little thing. And I'm going to fold it so this will be the front. I don't know if I'm showing it to y'all right. I'm just going to like hook it in there and fold it a little bit. And I'm just going to like use my Hawk Smash. Look at my strong behind. I don't know why. I don't know what I was doing, but I wound up bending it and it didn't break all the way. So we're going to use it. I'm going to just end up sewing in between to like sew this to this. And then that's attached. And then once we put it around our waist, like so, like that, or around Lyric's waist, we're going to just put it through like a belt. Put our little whoop-de-whoop in, and then that'll go through your belt loops. Look at that. So I strung my needle, and I'm going in through the front, making sure I gather that piece through the back. I'm just going to sew it down. Back and forth. Sew that bad boy on. This was the funnest, quickest. Y'all see how happy I am. I got like the energy to do a whole nother tutorial how fast that was. I love, and it's going to be such a statement piece. Give a little, but it gives a lot. Okay, I'm telling you that right now. Y'all know I live for them kind of projects. Something that's like real quick and decent. Come on. So we got a little cute belt. I'm going to definitely be playing around with different buckles. I'm a gold girl. I'm not a silver girl at all. So I'm definitely going to find some gold belt loops. Some cute decorative style ones too. I'm going back and forth in it, y'all. Just want to make sure it's secure as possible. Alright. Nice and secure. Alright, y'all. We got ourselves a belt. That's it. We have ourselves a belt. And it's so cute. It's so light. Let me see. Let me see. And then it'll go through the belt loop. Alright. So we did a leg crochet. Look at my shirt, y'all. I come on here all kinds of ghetto. But yeah, this is cute. Wait till y'all see how we style this tomorrow. Okay, y'all, it's tomorrow. This is how we decided to style the belt. I made her some crochet ruffle shorts that I made out of some jeans that she couldn't fit anymore. The sneakers that I made to go with her back to school lunchbox, book bag, and sweater. And the bow. She did manage to wear the bow. So this just shows the versatility. And if you make like accessories, you can wear something so many times. So I know she couldn't wear the sneakers to school. So I know she could wear them outside of school. So the belt, the bow, the shorts, all to go. Love, love, love this project. If y'all make the belt, tag me. Let me see how they look. I'm just excited to see how they look.